You gon' bust for the team or what? Let my ass bitch on scene for what? You gon' drop it to your knees or what? Make it clap, make it.
Hey Luz, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Danyel, Anyssa. I do video, lifestyle, and more. And if you enjoyed that, please subscribe, like this video, and don't forget to turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. So today's video is like a pack with me, little clips here and there from my trip, but I forgot to make an intro, so it's a little weird. So yeah, this is my little intro, so I hope you guys enjoy my video, and don't forget to subscribe. Love you, boos. I want to put you guys on a tripod because I can move your arm around a little easier, so I'm going to put the tripod on real quick. So my sissy, she's chilling on my bed. And look guys, I found this pillow in the back of my closet. I think I got it from Target a while back. And this is hello, and I forgot I had it, and I was like, oh, this goes so cute with my freaking bed. So yeah, getting this bad boy out because I leave tomorrow and I don't got time. I didn't know if we were leaving, so this is why I'm packing late, because it was like a yes or no going bag. This is my mom's when she was younger. It's a Coach bag, and I thought, oh, it's a perfect time to wear it because it's fall and I have my little cute little puppy thing. So this is gonna be my go-to bag when I go over there. It's super cute. This is my go-to bag. If you don't remember, I used my checkerboard one, but I want to use my Coach one video of them. But I got me some cute booties at Target, so I'm going to wear these. We don't need that on here. I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna be up there for a week. And trust me guys, I'm gonna have some videos pre-filmed for y'all, so I won't leave y'all guys hanging when I'm out of town, and I'll for sure be posting some videos for y'all. So I'm gonna put these little booties in my little thing. I already had some kind of like shirts already planned out, but I'm taking this cheetah shirt I got from Marshall's a while back. And I got the tag too. Oh my god, girls, you see this? I got this shirt a while back from Marshall's. I don't know if I showed y'all or not, but whenever I go to a pumpkin patch, and I thought it was so cute with some like white jeans or black ripped jeans. So this cheetah shirt, I'm loving it. Let me turn off the lights for y'all because these lights are bothering me. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking this shirt. So if I ever go to a pumpkin patch, I have a cute shirt. So cheap. It was like what, $12.99? And I love cheetah. If you don't know me, I love cheetah. And see, I was gonna wear this outfit with my combat boots, and it's so cute. So I'm just gonna be posting whatever shirts I'm thinking to wear to be cozy. So I'm taking the one I showed up. If you haven't remembered, I showed y'all this my Instagram. Love this bra. It's a dancing one, and it's from Walmart. It's so comfortable. It has padding you can't take out, but it gives you that like plump of a sports bra, but cozy. You can sleep in. You can't feel anything. So taking a couple of that, taking another one from Walmart. These are amazing. These are really cheap. They're like $3 or $4. I have this one in this color and I think a blue. I would bring this red crop top, just plain shirt. I think we're not really gonna go anywhere that much. So I'm just gonna bring like plain crop top. Other shirts in the dryer. I'm washing right now, so like I have to wait for those. I can't film those. I'm wearing these Fashion Nova ones. They have rips in the knee right now. Right now they have rips. So I'm gonna wear these. Take one pair of jeans and mainly like leggings because I want to stay comfortable. I'm for sure taking my Halloween pants because they're so cute. I need to buy me a Halloween shirt because Halloween or something. A little cute shirt to go with this because I don't have a shirt for Halloween to match up with this. So what I'm going to be packing right now is my makeup bag and my skincare bag. So I got this little clear squeezy tube so I can put my toner in because I didn't want to take like this huge toner with me. So I'm waiting on like some shirts and leggings in the washer, so I didn't want to. I just rather wait until everything's done so I could just like put everything in there. I finally got it, and I'm going to pour my toner in here. This is what I use in here. I'm gonna get a makeup bag, my go-to makeup bag, because it fits everything in here, and skincare bag. So I have my toner, my cotton rounds because these are my must for my toner, and I'm running out, so I'm just gonna take the whole bag. And I need to take my toothbrush, take some makeup wipes, but that's not going to fit in there, so I'm going to leave that out. My ID patches, because I've been breaking out like badly for some reason. And my different gel, so that will take me a vitamin mask just to help your girl out. So I'm taking that. I'm gonna leave this out just in case if I need to put something else in there. I have that set aside. Here are my brushes, do that later. But first off, primer. I like start when I do my makeup. Are you serious? Hey booze, I am back. It is freaking like 2 hours later. But I took a bath, and don't mind me having my pimple patches on. I'm breaking out like crazy. Okay, why y'all crooked on my thing? But I already did my makeup and skincare. I can show you what I put. I already did like simple glam. So I packed some things. I brought my moisturizer, I brought my hand sanitizer. Just in case we do things, I have a little bit of makeup, and then I packed my skincare in my Victoria's Secret bag because my freaking other skincare bag, the purple glitter one, it busted. So upset. So I had to use my good one. So I had to use my Victoria's Secret. So yeah, I know that's it. Pretty sucks. But I'm letting my laptop charge in my bag, but I have some snacks that I'm taking. And they wouldn't fit in my purse, but I have some snacks. Hot Lamb Cheetos, Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal. I took some cheeses, Golden Maria. These are so good. They're just cookie with chocolate filling. It tastes like panic cookies, like for real, but these are the snacks. I still have no clue what I'm going to be wearing when I wake up. But I think I might go back. I might get up really early and go to Bath and Body Works to get me some hand sanitizer because I really need one for my purse because I only have one for my makeup bag and I don't want to be taking back and forth. So I'm not going to take that one. So I'm going to wear, and I'm taking my deodorant. I'm taking body spray. I'm taking the golden sunflower, some jewelry, my bag. I just have like my mask and everything, my wallet, my portable charger, a little snack in there, keys. I'm into jacket I got from Walmart. It's freaking awesome. I freaking love it. I wore it today, and I got in rustic orange. They had olive green. They had this gray. They had black. I think they had white. I'm not sure, but I didn't want to get any other color because I knew this would mostly go with everything I have, and I don't really have a zip-up jacket. I really have just nothing but pullovers, so that's what I'm going to be wearing. I took the LA Girl foundation. I cut off because my camera died on me.
I was like, look at the line. I'm looking at way back there. Look.
Yeah, that's the way it is over here.
Oh my god.
Towards 3 something by my house, all the way to 7. From here all the way towards
Tree.
Oh, look, Mom. No, look over here. I have my recording and they're all smile. Oh, no. Smile, Baba.
Look right here. Hydrating moisturizer. Ooh, I like these masks. These are really good. Mom, they have the mask.
Oh, there's the chapstick.
Oh, look, they have a 3-pack.
How much?
Yeah.
Look at this. Oh, I thought it was a cookie, pizza, the cookie thing.
Sound like we can't really get anything because we're not going home.
I know.
all the way
So do
down.
you even know? Like,
I want a double.
No onion,
Yeah, nothing.
what do you want? Just patty and bun?
And cheese.
I made a salad.
a double just with cheese.
Yeah.
I needed
Bun.
a salad.
Bun.
I blocked it.
Zoom in.
You see it, Leah? Yes, we went. I have a picture I took with you.
Where's my burger? I don't have any onions. I don't. But guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm tired. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. I'll be on a trip, and if you want to know like my personal life and doing things, follow me on Instagram. I'll probably post on my story, on my Instagram story. So like, follow me on Instagram. My name's super cute. But yeah, I'll let my Instagram on there because I'll do like personal things on there. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, I have my Instagram located in my Instagram bio too, my little stories. So yeah guys, please watch my recent videos if you haven't. Please do. And we're almost at 1K subscribers. I feel like when I post this I might hit it already. I am 9 away. And I'll do a vlog for y'all. I think I'll celebrate when I come back home and do a vlog for y'all. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much for supporting. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!